All-in spend on the house was about $690,000, and that was everything all in, and that's including the upgrades to, like, we have a sub-Z, it's built in, and we have this really nice huge French oven, and
Right.
all the things that I probably would have never been able to do if I would have gone with like a spec house or a tract home.
Or a traditional
builder,
builder.
so we spent more on those things, and so we honestly, if you would have peeled some of that stuff out, we probably would have ended up saving another $100,000 on top of that. But all that being said, is at $690, once we got out of the construction loan and we refinanced it down to a lower rate and a fixed 30-year, it appraised for 1.65.
Yeah,
So
that's huge.
we're almost like overnight millionaires,
Yeah.
which is pretty awesome,
Yeah.
And it's funny because I told Melissa, I was like, hey honey, we just got our appraisal back. Congratulations, you're a millionaire.
Yeah.
And that's just one of the things, like, you don't set out for that kind of thing.
Right.
We just wanted to build a house that was, what we wanted for our family, and that's just an awesome perk.
Yes.
Yes.
Yeah.
You're gonna invest X amount of dollars,
Right.
which is like a percentage of what you could get on your return.
Right.
Isn't it worth doing it? And so
Right.
to that, yes, I 100% think that the program is worth the money to see what we've gotten at. So I told you that it was $690,000 to build this
Right.
house. We took these plans to a builder and said, how much would you charge to build this house all in? And they were coming in at between $900,000 to 1.1 to build this house.
And that was with a lot of things that we, like upgrades that we were like, okay, we're just gonna do.
That went into
I-
Sub-Zero.
Yeah. If I had to do it all over again, I'd do it in a heartbeat. Like, now that I've done it, even with working a full-time job, like, I enjoyed it. I actually did enjoy it. It was actually like, there was a level of gratification that I got out of this